Welcome back to the channel. We are doing our week 7 recap, I think. Oh yeah, look at that. I was correct. Week 7 recap, refresh week 6. So if you like watching these kind of videos, keep on watching. Here's the recap. Here's my February, still looking the same. And then here is week 6. As I mentioned before, I am still loving the format. I don't think I will change it. It's gonna stay the same. And I want to say we figured out, I think, what was this issue that came over from the previous shadowing, the stuff that I wrote on this. And I think it was because that week one of the grandkids was sick. One had COVID, the other one had some kind of cold or flu. So I went crazy spraying the house, and I think the alcohol is what messed up the page, but haven't sprayed since, so I'm gonna just go for it and say yes, it was the alcohol from the Lysol spray. Here's week 6. Here's week 7. As you can see, today is Wednesday. I think I'm gonna do recap Wednesdays. It seems to be easier as the middle of the week, and I seem to have a break on my lunch break to be able to do this. So that's why it's like halfway filled, because today is Wednesday. So I love the format, not changing it. I did go ahead and put some stuff sticker wise. Like, I know I don't work on President's Day, and there's no school on President's Day, which is next week. My birthday next week, so I did put day off. And I put that I need to remember to do my budget every Friday. Not that I need to remember that, but I need to start using my stickers. So here is last week. Let's recap week 6. So the only thing I have not caught up to is photos. I gotta go back and do those. I think I'll do those sometime this week. And I think they'll be great because they'll fill out some of the empty spaces that I have. So here's week 6. I did put my countdown for my birthday. I forgot I had this, and then I had to go back and redo it. But I put it at the bottom. You know, you buy all these stickers, and next thing you know, you forget that you have them. And then here is midweek of this week. And so far, that's it. Because today is Wednesday, so we don't have anything else. I did put my birthday countdown for the week. And that's it. Technically, that's all we have. So thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Welcome back. So, all right guys, welcome back. I don't know what happened. Let's see. Camera just shut off, and I don't know where it shut off.